Hey y'all, hey. Late start. I'm just getting my coffee. I still got on my pajama jams, but I want to switch around some stuff in here. Like, I'm not doing nothing today. It's the 4th of July. I'm chilling today. So we gonna do a kinda sorta deep clean. I'm gonna switch my couch around, and I think my bed. I don't know, but yeah. And then later, I'm going to make a little mini seafood boil. I bought some crab legs yesterday. They were on sale at Giant, and I have some corn on the cob. I have some spicy acreage, and you can't do the boil without the eggs. I don't know if I want potatoes. I don't know. We gotta see. I gotta see. Y'all, my nail is gone. My nails look horrible. Next week can't come fast enough. Going Tuesday. But yeah, let's get this music going and this party started. While I was cleaning up too. Give me a little bit of a little more dip in my chip. And these are not buns. I just got my little large flexi balls in my hair. So yeah, we about to get started. I think I'm gonna start cleaning my bathroom. Honestly. Yeah, I think we'll do that. Would y'all believe I haven't did nothing yet? Y'all know how one little phone call or you sit down throws your whole mood off, because I was ready to get into it. But I'm about to now. I'm not playing. Stuff. Now I'm about to do the bathroom. I'm not switching nothing around in the bathroom. Just gonna clean up in here. And then we're gonna move to the living room. Here's the bathroom. It's got a lot to do in here, but you always wipe down your bathroom to get it smelling good and all that good stuff. So that's what we have to do. And we're gonna wash our rug. the couch, but I don't like how that looks. It looks a little, so I'm about to have to move it again. I don't know why I didn't move this rug over anyway. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I don't like how that looks. Okay, I did a lot of stuff off camera because my phone started dying. But anywho, did the living room, finished that, mopped, straightened up my little work area, and now I put my corn and eggs on for my little boy. Y'all, it's about to tear down outside. Ooh, just heard thunder. Yeah, it's about to tear down. Hopefully it don't rain long. I'm not going out, but I know the kiddies like fireworks and people probably having cookouts and stuff. But yeah, so I'll come back when I'm not gonna mop my floor yet. I'm gonna mop my floor after I eat, and I'll probably end this once I show y'all how my little mini bowl come out. And here is my little mini seafood boil. I wanted onions in it for some reason today. I never did onions, but I had some already. They so good. And the butter sauce is at the bottom, but the rest of it is in here, so I could dip. And yes, that's the end of